My name is Rader and I'm going into 8th grade, and the challenge I did was called Whack-A-Mole. So in the challenge, the goal is to knock 4 moles, which are tissue boxes, out of a circle. And things I used to do this was a ultrasonic distance sensor to find out where the moles were, a light sensor to find the differences in colors to stop the robot from going out of the circle, and also an OLED display to help with troubleshooting and debugging problems. So the amount of time I worked on this project for was yesterday and today, so 2 days. And then some problems I encountered while making the project was that the robot wouldn't detect a lot of objects, and I tried to fix that by increasing ultrasonic ping sensor distance, but I didn't have enough time to actually fully fix it. Another one was that it wouldn't stop when trying to go out of the circle after knocking the object out. So I had to change up the color sensor so that it would actually detect the difference in the colors. And one more problem I had was that the counter to detect the 4 moles wouldn't actually update when it hit a mole out, and I didn't have time to fix that either. So